here's a couple here. How about third root of x plus 7 equals 5. You can go ahead and check that one. Pause it and work this out if you want to. Here's kind of a couple extra examples. Okay, so you get to this point and you say, well, that's 1/3. You say, well, how do I undo that? I got to take it to the third power. So -8, check your answer. There it is. Okay, let's do how about another one? So here's one with a 1 radical, so you want to isolate that square root of 5x minus 1. So go ahead and subtract 6 both sides. Square both sides now, because again that's to the 1/2 power, so squaring it will undo it. Add 1, divide by 5. 10 appears to be the solution. Plug it back in, make sure it works. Let's do one with 2 radicals. Okay, so if you got 2 radicals, get 1 on the other side. So let's go ahead and add this. Add that to both sides. Undo the radical, so we got to square both sides now. Solve for x. Subtract 2 now. -4 equals 4x. Divide by 4 now. -1 equals x. Okay, plug that into the original. -1 minus 2, -1 in for x. And right here, you see how you have square root of -3? Oh, can't do it. Square root of a -3, can't do that, not in the real numbers, right? So this is an extraneous solution. This actually ends up being no solution. No solution on that one, okay? All right, last one. X minus 6 equals square root of 3x. Okay, you got to get rid of that radical again, don't you? So let's go ahead and square it. So you got 2 of these x minus 6's. You've undone the radical here, so you just have 3x. So x squared minus 6x minus 6x, so minus 12x, and then -6, 36. Okay, so I FOILed that out, right? Subtract the 3x, because we're solving a quadratic now. So I got to get one side equal to 0. See how it's equal to 0. I go ahead and try and factor this thing, and I'm like, well, let's see, factors of 36. Does this thing factor? I say, well, 6 and 6, that's not going to work. How about 12 and 3? That'll work. And they both got to be negative, right? So that's x squared minus 12x minus 3x plus 36. There you go. There's the x squared minus 15x plus 36. Now I just apply the zero product property after I factor this thing. Okay, and then I check my solution. So I say, well, let me check the 3. Does 3 minus 6 into the original? Is that true? Is -3 equals square root of 9, which is 3? Nope, that doesn't work. Extraneous solution. Let's check the 12 now. Does 12 minus 6 equals square root of 3 times 12? That's 6, square root of 36. Hey, that works, right? That one does work. So x equals 12. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day. See you guys.